Well, I don't know what to do.
So drinking now. Get some air. I did in German. Fantastisch. Wunderschön. Galaktisch. Thank you, everybody. Oh, it's like fantastic, awesome, and galactic. Here. One more. Okay, time to beat. The handlebars. Just your basic resistance here. That's all. Okay. Will you sure work on the road? You need to take your belt like here. In slow motion. Here. You want to try it fast? Or like this? Belgians in the French. Okay, add on a little gear. Reach out. Find the beat again. Don't know what to do. Don't know what to do. Maybe you can sing it in German, but I say, ich weiß, was ich tue. I know what to do. Ich weiß, was ich tue. Ich weiß, was ich tue. Back. Okay. Sometimes I know what I do when I have a special friend for my life, Yasmin. And this is the time to ask her if she wanna get marry me. What you say? What you say? I can't hear it. Thank you, I love you. I love you, my dear. I love you. Come on back. Yeah? Easy. I know what I do. Come on outside. Let's go. Together? I don't know what I do. What I do. I know what I do. Ich weiß, was ich tue. Come back, come back. Throw your legs down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come back to the seat. Open your chest. Throw your legs down. Big roll. Deep breath in. Grab the saddles behind. Open your chest. Let's stretch. And fingers open with the guitar. It's a long guitar. Sides open here. Long spine. Other side. Throw your left. One up, one down. Chest up, lift, twist. And you say, I know what to do. And I know what to do. Other side. Lift and twist. I know what to do. Back, chin high, upper calf stretch. Other side. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Not over yet. Not over yet. My dear.
Well, how do you top that?
Congratulations,
Congratulations, Wolfie and Yasmin.
Yes.
All right, take your time, dismount, grab a position next to your bike, hands under the handles, under the saddle, lift the chest up and up on your tiptoes. Nice release into your lower back.